Good evening, students. Last class we have discussed what X-linked genes, ZZ type of inheritance. Everything we have discussed in the last class. Now we are going to discuss about the sex-linked inheritance. Okay, sex-linked inheritance. The inheritance of a tract that is determined by a gene located on one of the sex chromosomes is called sex-linked inheritance. So the character, tracts means the character, that character it is depending upon the genes. That genes are located on the one of the sex chromosomes is called sex-linked inheritance. We know the sex chromosomes, female XX and male X and Y. So a tract, inheritance of a tract determined by a gene, that gene located on one of the sex chromosome is called sex-linked inheritance. So genes present on the different regions of the X chromosomes or Y chromosomes so are called sex-linked genes. Which genes? It is located on the different regions of X chromosome or Y chromosome, that is known as sex-linked genes. The genes present in the differential regions of X chromosomes are called X-linked genes. So the genes located in the different regions of the X chromosome, so we are saying that is known as the X-linked genes. As same, the genes present in the different regions of the Y chromosomes are called Y-linked genes. Okay, so the genes are present in the different regions of X chromosome. That genes are no corresponding alleles in the Y chromosome. So that genes it is present only in the X chromosome. They cannot present in the Y chromosomes. The same one, the genes present in the different regions of a Y chromosomes are called Y-linked genes or colindric genes. So the Y-linked genes have no corresponding alleles in the X chromosome. It is present only in the Y. No corresponding allele in the X chromosome. So the Y-linked genes inherit along with the Y chromosomes and they phenotypically express only in the male sex. So the Y-linked genes they can inherited along with only the Y chromosome. So the phenotypically also genotype and phenotype. Phenotype expressing the morphological character. So that character express only in the male sex, not in a female sex, because that gene it is located only in the Y chromosomes, not in the X chromosomes. So the phenotypic expression it is present only on the male sex. Okay. So the sex-linked inherited tracts are more common in males than females. So that sex-linked inherited character commonly it is present in the males, not compared to the females. Okay, because why we are saying like that, it is present only in the male compared to the female. So the males are hemizygous. It is present X and Y, but females are homozygous. Okay, so it is that inherited character it is more common in for what males. Okay, it is in the hemizygous and therefore express the tract when they inherit one mutant allele. So it is present in a hemizygous condition. So the character expressing the tract, that character when it is inherited from father to the children or offsprings or generation, so suddenly mutation will occur. So some of the mutant allele, that character they can express. Okay, maybe in a X chromosome it is present or in a Y chromosome it is present. So we are saying it is common in the male compared to the female. So the X-linked and Y-linked genes in the different regions do not undergo pairing. So it is located in a different regions. It is not in a pair. We cannot say together same this location for in a X chromosome, in a Y chromosome. So for example, we can say in a X chromosome, chromosome number 2, a same Y chromosome, chromosome number 2. It is in a same. We cannot say like that. It is not present in a same in a pairing. Okay, it is located in the different regions of X and Y chromosomes. So they cannot involve during pairing in the process of crossing over during meiosis. So in the process of mitosis meiosis, crossing over will occur. So the homologous alleles or heterozygous alleles they can cross between one allele into the another allele. That is known as the crossing over. That crossing over will occur in the mitosis and meiosis cell division. So pair. For example, we can say in the chromosome ABCD, then in for one allele, capital ABC, then in another allele, small ABC, like that. Have you studied very well crossing over in the 11th botany? Okay, you remain that. Okay, so that X-linked and Y-linked genes in the differential regions do not undergo pairing or crossing over during the process of meiosis. The inheritance of X or Y-linked genes is called sex-linked genes. Which character they can inherit from a linked genes, it is present on the sex chromosome, X or in a Y. Okay, so that type of gene is known as sex-linked genes. That character that is known as sex-linked inheritance. Can you understand all of you? Sex-linked inheritance. Now we are going to see the examples of inheritance of X-linked and Y-linked genes. The inheritance of X-linked genes. Red green color blindness or daltonium. Color blindness or daltonium. They cannot differentiate the red and green color. That is known as the color blindness or daltonium. Hemophilia. Already we have studied in the vitamin deficiency. Hemophilia. Okay. And then Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, one of the disease, muscular disability, that disease, are the example of X-linked gene inheritance in human being. These disorders, it is related to the X-linked genes. Okay, that character it is expressing in an individual, that is depending upon the X-linked genes. Okay, then for example, hemophilia. So hemophilia is commonly known as bleeder's disease. If any small wound occur that individual's body, that wound they cannot clot. As usual, blood clotting will occur within a minute or within 5 minutes. Okay, for common normal human being. But they can have in a hemophilia this disorder. Okay, if any small injuries can happen, okay, maybe they have fell down. A small injuries is happen, bleeding non-stop continuously come outside from the tissues, the damaged parts. Okay, that is known as the bleeder's disease or hemophilia, which is more common in men than women. Already we have studied this sex-linked inheritance. It is present males compared to the females. Okay, so this hemophilia also it is more common in men than women. This hereditary disease was first reported by John Gatto in 1803. The scientist John Gatto in the year 1803 he discovered this disease, hemophilia. It is a hereditary disease. So hemophilia is caused by a recessive X-linked gene. So how this disease it is causing? It is caused by the recessive X-linked gene. Some of the gene it is located on the regions of the X chromosome that it is expressing, it is present in a recessive condition. So it leads to the disease hemophilia. A person with a recessive gene for hemophilia lacks a normal clotting substance in blood. So normal blood clotting substance thromboplastin, it is present in our blood inactive form. Okay, when the individuals having injuries, that time the thromboplastin activate, it is involving in the blood clotting process. Within 5 minutes, blood clot will occur in the damaged tissues or parts. Okay, if the person they can have a disease hemophilia, that blood clot will not occur in the damaged tissues. Okay, because for what? Lack of a normal blood clotting substance thromboplastin in blood. Okay, hence minor injuries cause continuous bleeding, leading to death. Any small minor injuries will occur for that hemophilic person, continuously bleeding will occur in the damaged tissues or parts. Okay, it's caused to the death. The female are carriers of the disease and would transmit the disease to 50% of their sons even if the male parent is normal. So here females are carriers. They can carry that gene, okay, from their parents, then they can pass the disease to their children, okay, especially for the male. Okay, so the parent father gene transfer to the daughter. So here daughter will not affect the disease, daughter is a carrier, then they can transfer the disease into the son. Okay, that is known as the crisscross patterns of inheritance. அப்பாகிட்ட இருந்து அம்மாவுக்கு அந்த டிசீஸ் இருக்காது. அம்மா எப்படி அவங்களோட தாத்தாகிட்ட இருந்து அம்மாவுக்கு அந்த டிசீஸ் என்ன இருக்காது, அஃபெக்ட் ஆகாது. அவங்க வந்து கேரியராக இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க யாருக்கு அந்த டிசீஸை ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுவாங்க, அவங்களோட பையனுக்கு. கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? ஓகே. So the females are carrier of the disease and would transmit the disease to 50% of their sons even if the male parent is normal. அவங்களுடைய ஹஸ்பண்ட், அதாவது அம்மா வந்து கேரியராக இருக்காங்க, அப்பா வந்து நார்மலாக இருக்காங்க. அம்மா என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, அவங்களோட தாத்தாகிட்ட இருந்து என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, அந்த டிசீஸ்க்கான ஜீன்ஸை அப்படியே வாங்கி கேரியராக இருந்து யாருக்கு பாஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்களோட பையனுக்கு. Can you understood all of you? Then one film we have seen now, E.T. film. Atharva is a hero. That film. Atharva have any small wound or injuries, the bleeding will occur from that injuries. That film, you remind that. Okay. Can you understood all of you? This hemophilia. The next one, color blindness. So color blindness also, it is caused by the X-linked gene, inheritance of a X-linked gene. Hemophilia, it is caused by the recessive X-linked gene, but color blindness, it is caused in a human being a dominant X-linked genes. Okay, hemophilia recessive, color blindness dominant. Okay, but both also what, X-linked inheritance. Okay, in human being a dominant X-linked gene is necessary for the formation of color sensitive cells, that is the cone cells. So in our eye, rod cells and cone cells are present. We have studied in 10th standard, no, in 10th lesson, 11th standard, 10th lesson we have studied rod cells and cone cells are present in our eyes retina, that is for what, sensitive cells. Then rod cells, black and white and day vision, cone cells, color, and then dim light vision. Okay, here color blindness, it is caused by the dominant X-linked genes. This genes, it is necessary for the formation of a color sensitive cells, that is the cone cells. So the recessive form of this gene is incapable of producing color sensitive cone cells. Maybe dominant only, it is responsible to produce the formation of color sensitive cells, that is the cone cells. Recessive cell, it is incapable to producing the cone cells. So homozygous recessive females, XC, same homozygous X, but have a color blindness. And a hemizygous recessive male, so male, they can have in a X and Y chromosomes, are unable to distinguish red and green color. So the persons, they can have in a male and then female they have given. So in a female, XC, homozygous, recessive. C, they have mentioned color blindness. So they cannot be able to differentiate the red and green color. As same hemizygous, hetero, a different X and Y genes are present, but XC, color blind, and so here female or carrier, so male or normal. Okay, so XC and Y. So like this genes are present, that male and female, they cannot able to distinguish the red and green color. So the inheritance of color blindness can be studied. They have given color blindness with the examples. Okay, they have given in two different types of marriage between how the color blind child produce from the parent. Okay, one, marriage between color blind man and normal vision woman. Here father is a color blind, mother is a normal vision. So marriage between the normal vision woman and a color blind man, what will happen? A marriage between a color blind man and a normal vision woman will produce normal vision male and female individuals in F1 generation. So that marriage between color blind man and normal vision woman, marriage between will occur, they can produce a F1 generation. So that F1 generation may be male or then in a female individuals, they are normal, but female or carriers. Can you understood? That female is normal, they can identify, able to differentiate the red and green color. The male also normal, able to for what? Differentiate the red and green color. But here females are carriers. So the marriage between the F1 normal vision carrier woman and a normal vision male will produce one normal vision female and one carrier female, one normal vision male and one color blind male. The next generation. So F1 generation, first generation maybe in a normal. For example, in your grandparents. Your grandfather is a color blind. Your grandmother is a normal vision. Okay, they have produced your father or your mother. Okay, your father or your mother. So both of them what? They are normal vision, but your mothers are carrier. Okay, to the next generation. Next generation, you will produce the child. Nee pirandiruppa. Okay, you will produce that child in the F2 generation. So that F2 generation, it is possible to produce the one normal vision male and female, one color blind male and female. Can you understood? So the color blind trait is inherited from the male parent to his grandson through carrier daughter. Can you understood? Which is an example of crisscross patterns of inheritance. See this genes for what? A normal female, X plus and color blind male, XC, Y minus. So parents cross the gametes. They can have in a gametes two gametes, X plus. Here XC, Y minus. So the F1 generation, X plus, XC. Normal, in a plus is the dominant character. So here dominant character X plus, so female or normal, but what? This gene also it is present. So normal vision female but carrier. Here X plus Y minus. Inge C kadayadu. So color blind kadayadu. So normal male. Okay. When we are crossing this F1 generation. Okay. For what? X plus XC. Okay. Two different gametes. X plus XC. Okay. Then see here. X plus Y minus. So when we are crossing X plus normal female, X plus Y minus normal male, XC X plus what? Normal but carrier. Then XC Y minus color blind male. To F2 generation we can have what? Normal female, normal male, then normal but carrier female and color blind. So 3:1 ratio. So 3 normal vision. Then one carrier, that is the color blind male produce. But the 3 normal vision, we can see in a genotypic 1:2:1. So one is a normal female, then one is the normal male, then 2 for what? 1:2. 2 and the one is a normal female and one is the carrier female, but normal vision. So we are saying 2. Okay, can you understood? 1:2:1. So both the one it is representing the males. One is normal male, another one color blind male. Okay, the 2 it is representing the female. That female are normal, but one is nice normal, completely normal. Another one normal female is or carrier. Normal but or carrier. Can you understood? The marriage between color blind man and a normal vision woman. Then another one example, marriage between normal vision man and color blind woman. Just opposite. There normal vision for what? Female we have seen. Here we are going to see about the male. Okay, if a color blind woman marriage normal vision a male, all F1 sons will be color blind and daughters will be normal vision but or carrier. எப்போ கலர் பிளைண்ட் உமனாக இருக்காங்க, அவங்க யாரை மேரேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க? நார்மல் விசன் மேல். இங்கே கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸை பார்க்குறப்ப கிராண்ட் மதர் என்னது? கலர் பிளைண்ட். கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர் நார்மல். தட் F1 ஜெனரேஷன் உங்களுடைய பேரண்ட்ஸு பார்க்குறப்ப F1 சன் வில் பி கலர் பிளைண்ட். அது என்ன செய்யுது? அம்மாட்ட இருந்து யாருக்கு வருது? மகனுக்கு வருது. Okay, F1 sons will be color blind and daughters will be normal. Okay, normal vision but are carriers. So marriage between F1 carrier female with a color blind male. இவங்க இங்கே எப்படி இருக்காங்க, F1 அவங்க நார்மல் விஷன் பட் எப்படி கேரியர். அவங்க எதை மேரேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க, கலர் பிளைண்ட் உள்ள மேலே மேரேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. வில் ப்ரொடியூஸ் நார்மல் விஷன் கேரியர் டாட்டர், கலர் பிளைண்ட் டாட்டர், நார்மல் விஷன் சன் அண்ட் கலர் பிளைண்ட் சன் இன் த F2 ஜென்ரேஷன். ஓகே, கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? இங்கே கிராண்ட் மதர் வந்து கலர் பிளைண்ட், கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர் நார்மல். F1 ஜெனரேஷனில் சன்னுக்கு வந்து கலர் பிளைண்ட் இருக்குது, டாட்டர் வந்து கேரியராக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு மேரேஜ் பண்ணுறப்ப அந்த டாட்டர் கேரியர் ஃபீமேலுக்கும் ஒரு கலர் பிளைண்ட் மேலுக்கும் மேரேஜ் நடக்கிறப்ப அந்த F2 ஜென்ரேஷன் எப்படி, நார்மல் விஷன் டாட்டர், கலர் பிளைண்ட் டாட்டர். ஓகே, 1:1. The normal vision son and color blind son. So 1:1:1:1 அப்படின்ற ரேஷியோ நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. Can you understood in the for what color blind woman and then in the normal men. Okay, see this XC color blind female, then normal X plus Y minus. So XC X plus Y minus. So X plus normal but carrier female, XY minus color blind male. ஸோ அவங்க F2 ஜென்ரேஷனில் நமக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய கேமிட்ஸ் அவங்கள ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுறப்ப எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸி ஒய் மைனஸ். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸி நார்மல் பட் கேரியர் ஃபீமேல், எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் மைனஸ் நார்மல் மேல், எக்ஸி கலர் பிளைண்ட் ஃபீமேல் அண்ட் தென் எக்ஸி ஒய் மைனஸ் ஃபார் வாட் கலர் பிளைண்ட் மேல். So 1:1:1:1 ratio. Can you understood all of you this? That for what we have discussed X-linked inheritance. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the inheritance of Y-linked genes. Inheritance of Y-linked genes. So genes in the non-homologous region of the Y chromosomes are inherited directly from male to male. Already I have said. So Y-linked genes, it is present in the different regions of the Y chromosome. That one they can transfer from male to male because that corresponding genes are absent in the X chromosome. So they cannot express in the X chromosome. Okay, so it is expressed only in the male. So in humans, Y-linked genes are cholinergic genes for hypertrichosis. For example, they have given here excess development of hairs on pinna of the ear. நம்மளுடைய அவுட்டர் ஏர் தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், பின்னா. அதுக்குள்ளே இருந்து என்ன இருக்கும்னா ஹேர் வந்து டெவலப் ஆகிருக்கும். தட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த கேரக்டர். தட் ஜீன் இட் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் ஒன்லி இன் த ஒய் லிங்க்டு ஜீன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஹைப்பர்னால என்னது, எக்ஸஸாக இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒன் ஆஃப் த கேரக்டர் ஹைப்பர் ட்ரைகாசிஸ். 3 ஜீன்ஸ் வந்து ஒன்றா ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடியதுனால நமக்கு இது ஏற்படக்கூடியது. ஸோ திஸ் கேரக்டர் டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டட் டைரக்ட்லி ஃப்ரம் ஃபாதர் டு சன் பிகாஸ் மேல்ஸ் இன்ஹெரிட் த ஒய் குரோமோசோம்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் father to the son. Female inherits only X chromosomes from the father, so that X chromosomes will not affected. So the male only they can get the Y chromosomes from the father, so that character they can express from male to the male. Okay, can you understood all of you this sex linked inheritance? That sex linked inheritance we have discussed X linked inheritance and Y linked inheritance. Okay.